Following the split from Nokia 2 years ago, Vertu came back with the T, a striking device that demonstrated how the company was evolving. It was followed up by the Constellation, a far less visually challenging smartphone with more consumer appeal. The third phone from the newly invigorated Vertu is the Signature Touch. It combines several design flourishes from both the T and the Constellation, with a more modern look, and matches them with some high-end technical specifications. It is, when described that way, the perfect flagship phone. It's prettier than the T, more capable than the Constellation, and still stays true to its heritage, ensuring it's recognizable as a Vertu smartphone. Vert's really proud of this one, so let's find out if it's justified. The Signature Touch is hand-built in England, made from you, and the chassis is covered in your choice of leather. It's immediately obvious that Vertu has calmed the design down from the titanium side panels are now smooth and broken up only by tiny screws and precision-crafted buttons. Experience pays off when dealing with sapphire crystal, and the glass on the Signature Touch is truly beautiful. A 5.1-inch piece of 5th-generation sapphire crystal covers the 4.7-inch display. It's almost impossible to scratch, and extremely strong. We've been hearing a lot about sapphire crystal recently, and Vertu has been using it for more than a decade. Experience pays off when dealing with such a fickle material, and the glass on the Signature Touch is truly beautiful. Real thought has been put into the way the phone feels when you hold it. The leather stretches round the sides just enough to cushion the device in your palm, while your fingers naturally grip the titanium edging. It's cool to the touch, but never slippery, and pleasing to cradle. XA0 inches your hand, so much so that XA0 I'd often find myself absent-mindedly running my fingers over the leather and titanium. The leather on our phone is an option called Damson Lizard, which gave the body more texture than the smoother jet or claret leather. We're often told leather only improves with age, and for once, this isn't just marketing guff. I got the chance to see a 6-month-old Signature Touch in claret leather, and it had taken on a deeper, richer tone that only made it look classier. All this encouraged me not to wrap